Hi, Cherrie with the Cherrie and Zach team over here at NextHome Real Estate Rockstars. Do you do open houses and how many? Yes, we do open houses. We are a firm believer that open houses work. A lot of agents say that open houses are just for the agent to secure leads and they don't actually work for the homeowner and to sell the home. That is a myth or that is a lie. What we truly believe is if the home is marketed correctly and the open house is advertised correctly, the open house is effective and it does work really, really well. Our goal is to get as many bodies through the home, through the open house time period, to make buyers or help buyers feel excited about the home, have them be able to see the home at their leisure, not have to schedule an appointment, and be able to look at the home, take their time, right? Not feel like there's an agent hovering around them or that they have to be there for only 15 minutes. It allows the buyer to walk through the property at their leisure. The other thing is when we're marketing your home and we're marketing the open house, we're having the home go viral. We're advertising that open house time period on multiple different platforms, including inviting top producing agents and inviting other buyers who have been looking in the community that are matched in our database. So we're not just putting the for sale sign up and putting the open house sign up and hoping buyers show up and hoping to get a couple leads. We're actively trying to find buyers who would be interested in purchasing in your community, who are thinking about buying, are in the buying process, or haven't even thought about buying. That's why our open houses are effective. Now, your hottest time, your best time to strike on the market is your first 2 weeks. So we're going to hold open houses Saturday, Sunday, the first weekend, Saturday, Sunday, the second weekend. If we haven't sold yet, then we'll strategize with what's wrong. Is there something we need to change about the home? Is it the pricing? What is another marketing strategy we can do? And then we will drop down to only one open house per weekend until necessary, and maybe strategize of doing them every other weekend at that point. We want to come up with a new game plan. Our average days on market is selling within the first week and a half. So we haven't had a lot of listings where we've had to do open house, open house, open house. But we do hold open houses. They do work. We sell a lot of homes out of the open house and we know they're effective. We have the results to prove it. If you're thinking about hiring an agent, I'd love to go to work for you. Give us a call. Bye.